Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the red LUXE beauty box. Actually for today I had planned another video, but coincidence makes this box arrive this morning, and guys, I am too excited to unbox it. I cannot wait until the next week. So for today we will take care of this beauty box. The red LUXE beauty box worth £500 and is retailed for £93. I had early access to this beauty box and I paid less for it. If I remember right, I paid around £74. What I like about red beauty boxes is that most of the products are full size. Okay guys, let's discover the treats. The first product I took out is an eyelash curler from the brand True You Fun Lift and Curl Eyelashes. Designed with higher curling bar to fan and lift lashes. The second product from the beauty box is from Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream, Replenishing Plus Plumping Moisturizer. Is a rich moisturizing face cream with plumping hydration and antioxidant packed Japanese purple rice for a dewy, healthy glow, ideal for dry skin. I heard about this brand and I heard about this face cream too. I haven't had the opportunity to try anything from Tatcha, so for everything I've read about this face cream, sound very good. I'll definitely try it to see what it can do. The third product from the box is from Vida Glow Daily Essential Natural Marine Collagen. Promotes glowing skin, smooths fine lines. Vida Glow Marine Collagen is a hydrolyzed collagen peptide powder that supports glowing skin. We have 30 sockets inside. Product number 4 is from Eve Lom Radiance Repair Retinol Serum. Designed to soften the appearance of fine lines and imperfections while replenishing the skin with moisture to help maintain hydration for up to 72 hours. Infused with AHAs, the formula gently exfoliates the skin to help visibly smooth texture. At this moment, in front of us guys, we have the most expensive product from the box. This face serum is retailed for £145. The fifth product from the box is from Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Gentle Cleansing Gel. Is a gentle facial wash that removes dirt and pollution without harshness. With the brand Ren, I don't have the best memories. Actually, I do like one product from them, and we will talk about it in another video. The sixth product is from Emma Hardy Lotus Flower Treatment Serum. Helps to reduce appearance of oily skin. Helps to reduce appearance of inflammation, redness and stressed skin. Helps to tighten pores. I need help with that. Also contains hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin and wild indigo extract to calm the skin and improve skin tone. From what I can see, it's not a product that would suit me, but I definitely have a dear friend who will enjoy it. Product number 7 now is from Revolution Skincare Must See Anytime Daily Serum. Is a hydrating and brightening vitamin C face serum that can be used in the morning and evening. Also contains niacinamide to minimize the appearance of pores, strengthen and soothe the skin. Hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and protect the skin's barrier. Ferulic acid and vitamin E. I love vitamin C face serums. It arrives in the right hands. The eighth product from the box is from a brand that I know, Avant. Is a face cream called Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. Aims to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, works to hydrate the skin, helps prevent and reverse the signs of aging. Let's move to the product number 9. Is a makeup product from Trini London, Lip Glow, in the shade Cordy. Is a pink rose shade. Refresh your look anywhere and anytime, delivers moisture and plumpness, is described as a new generation lip gloss. I know the concept of a brand and I am agree with it, but I personally don't like this kind of lip balms and lip glosses packaging. I hate to dip my finger in the product and after to apply it on the lips. First is that it's not hygienic and second, it is not practical. I am a person who likes to use products that makes my life easier, not the other way around. Again, this is my personal opinion. Let's move forward to the last product from the box. Product number 10 is a mini lipstick from Laura Mercier, Silky Cream Lipstick in the shade 40 Nous Préférés. It's a beautiful nude pink shade. The Silky Cream formula lasts up to 6 hours without bleeding, drying, fading or settling into lines. And here we are, guys. We unboxed the red Luxe Beauty Box. What do you think about it? Which is your favorite products? Mine are almost all, except for those that don't suit my skin. And this was everything for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!